Say, welcome. Oh, why can't you see me? There we go. Say, welcome to Kira's channel.
Welcome to Kira's channel. We're gonna be watching eyeshadows on your eyelids.
Yes. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be creating this really pretty fall vampy look, and I will be walking you step by step for the eye look. And I'm going to be using the new Urban Decay Elements palette, which is really pretty. And just some quick information on this. It's gigantic. Look at my face. And look at this. Not saying that my face is gigantic, but this is gigantic. That's huge. It has 19 colors, and the theme of this palette is revolving around the 4 elements: earth, air, wind, and fire. Sorry about that, everyone. This clip had to be removed because our camera has Bluetooth, and it was actually picking up some random conversation about someone trying to plan a barbecue. I originally thought it was a ghost, but then we could hear the entire conversation and realize what was happening. But more about this palette. It has 19 shades. 3 are true mattes, and 1 is a matte with glitter, and once you blend that out, that glitter goes away. I would recommend this palette to someone who loves shimmer, because that's mostly the entire palette. Also, if you love color, this is another great one. You can create some neutral looks with this, but if you don't love color, I would not recommend it, because it does have a lot of bright colors, and some are extremely intense and pigmented. But if you want to see the eye look that I created, keep watching. I also did do some arm swatches that will be shown next, and I'm just swatching them once so you can see the color payoff and the intensity. But thank you, and subscribe and like. I know I said that already, but love you guys. I'll also compare this eye with a more mauvey pink rosebud color. I think that would also be really beautiful. I did a dark brick red to kind of mimic this brick red that we're putting in our crease here in a little bit. I love dark lip colors for fall. As soon as fall gets here, I'm like, all the dark lipsticks on my face. All of them. They just live there. You can be there all the time. You're my friend. I love you. So I'm starting with one of the 4 matte shades this palette has, which makes it extremely hard to create a full look unless you go into another palette and use some matte shades from there. But I'm going to be starting with Antidote. Next, I'm going to be going in with a JH34, and it is slightly tapered, but still fluffy. And I'm going to be doing the darker color in this palette, Elemental, and I'm just going to be bringing that color a little bit farther down, right below that lighter shade, to give that a little bit more definition. Okay, this next step might be a little weird because you're making such a harsh line, but we're gonna smooth it out and blend it, and once we cut our crease, it's gonna look really nice and sharp, and it's gonna look a lot cleaner. So I am going to be taking the JH38, and it is a tiny pencil brush. It's not her tiniest one. She has a tinier one than this. But I'm going to be taking that into Firestarter, which is one of their matte shades, but it has glitter in it, but once you put it on your eyelids and blend it out, you can't see the glitter anymore. So I'm actually going to be creating kind of a harsh line here with this pencil brush, and then we are going to be blending this out, not smoking it out. We don't want this to be super smoky. We kind of just want it to be a tiny little pop of color right up on the top of the crease. I'm taking her soft brush. It's a tiny little pointed brush, but it's really nice and fluffy, so I can go ahead and blend that crease out with a JH40. We are going to cut our crease, and I am actually using the Alamar brush that was in my BoxyCharm. This is beautiful for cutting the crease. It has such a great sharp circular kind of dome tip that you can just kind of draw with, and it's really thin right in the middle there. Not on my face. So you can create a really nice tight line. For this color that we're going to pack on all over the lid, I am using the color Fortune Teller, and we are going to be packing it all over this crease area that we just created. And I'm going to be using Fix Plus to spray the brush just to make it really intense. Now we're going to deepen up that outer corner with that same pencil brush that we used to make that brick red color, and we're just going to put that right on the outside here. Okay, so that looks like a hot mess right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a transition color in between this red and this kind of duochromy purple color to blend it in nicely. And the color I am using for that is Lioness, and it's this really pretty purple color. So as you can see now, that gave it a really nice gradation. For the lower lash line, I'm going to start out with Antidote, and I'm going to be using that pencil brush. Now I'm going in with an even tinier pencil brush, the JH39, and I'm going to be doing Firestarter. Using that third brush that I got in the BoxyCharm as well. I will link that video up below or down below. I don't know where to link it. It'll be linked somewhere. I'm going to be using the flat shader brush, and I'm going to be using the ColourPop Jelly Much in Half Moon to do the lower lash line. This consistency is just beautiful. Using that tiny pencil brush again, I'm going to be going into this Transformer shade in the middle, Luna, the middle, the middle, the middle. I know words. And I'm going to be using this to highlight my inner corner. I'm now going to be applying a black eyeliner just to the top here so I can hide the band of my lashes better, because I suck at putting lashes on. I know this kind of goes against the point of fake lashes, but I'm going to be using eyelash primer, mascara, and fake lashes because I'm extra. Thanks for watching, and I will be putting out new videos every Sunday/Monday. I hope to have a new series coming on the channel here shortly. It's going to be a secret. You'll see it when it comes. I don't want to give any information away, but it's fun. Subscribe or like this video if it helped you out in any way, and please feel free to leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Bye. There, say bye.
Bye.
You gotta wave. You gotta wave. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Say bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Did you just fart? Cujo, did you just fart? That's stinky. No, swatching eyelids. Swatching eyeshadows on our eyelids.
Swatching eyeshadows on our eyelids.
Alright. Why, when I move, the background gets brighter? That's not cool. See? Is it brighter? Is it brighter? There it goes! Told you! Can you have her look at you real quick?
Hey, look at Daddy.
Look at her faces. I think it's too bright.
Up here.
Look it up. But you also compare this lip. I've said that like 50 times. I also compare this lip. Did that get on my nose? Now I know we're doing fake lashes, but I'm still going to be making my eyes look. What? I know we are. I mean, that's intense. My nose itches. It has 19 colors, and the color wheel and the theme of this palette is revolving around the 4 elements. Elements? Earth, air, earth, earth, air, stop it. Okay. I lost my lashes. That's not a good look. Where'd my lashes go? Where'd my lashes go? I found them. Ooh. Hey guys, welcome to my channel.